Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Today I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine with just a couple of ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine with a couple of ingredients you have in your kitchen and a Squirty Squirty. So get some vinegar, baking soda, and your Squirty Squirt bottle. The first thing you'll want is some baking soda. Just one box. You'll still want to measure it, but 2 cups of baking soda, and you'll want to put that in a measuring cup. Pour it in, and then go ahead and make sure that your washing machine is empty. Go ahead and sprinkle it around in there. Close the door, of course. Be sure this is shut. And then go ahead and turn it on its longest setting. Mine is heavy duty. So if you put it on heavy duty, and then make sure it's on the hottest setting. And when it's on the hottest setting, go ahead and start it, let it run through its cycle. After it's done running that baking soda and it's rinsed and it's complete, then you'll want to get your vinegar. Measure out 2 cups of vinegar, which is almost 16 ounces, so almost one of these small bottles, just white vinegar. And again, use your measuring cup, pour it in there, and then put it inside. Do the same process. Turn on the power, get your longest wash cycle and your hottest temperature. When those 2 things have been run through, the baking soda is going to get rid of stuff, and it's also going to help clean out your algae and any of those bad smells. The vinegar is going to help dilute and get rid of all those bad smells and clean it out also. You can also put some up here in the detergent section. Do not put it in the bleach or the softener section. Put it in the detergent section, and that'll also flow through. Okay. The next thing you're going to need is your Squirty Squirt bottle. Get your Squirty Squirt bottle, put some more vinegar in there, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay. With your Squirty Squirt bottle, and I also forgot to mention toothbrush, an old toothbrush of course, you'll want to clean down in here on the inside of these front load washing machines. There's a rubber seal that goes all the way around, and you've seen it, I'm sure. And if you pull this apart, like mine has a bunch of gunk in there, and you'll want to get your Squirty Squirt bottle and pull it back and go ahead and squirt all around on the inside of that the vinegar. You're going to have vinegar in here, not water, in your Squirty Squirt. Okay? Then you can also take this toothbrush and you can scrub around in there and get all of that grime and buildup out. Then you can throw the toothbrush away, of course. So that's what you do with your Squirty Squirt. One other quick tip for you that most people don't think about is this spot right here where you put your laundry detergent. This thing can really build up a lot of mold in there, especially if you shut it. Don't ever shut it. Leave it open, just like you leave your door open a little bit, because you always want that to air out. Actually, after I use my washing machine, I always completely leave this open for at least a half a day, let it dry out good. Okay, so this actually comes out. There's actually a clip on top, and you can pull this out. Mine actually does have some mold in there, and you can simply put this in the sink, wash it with some detergent. You can put some vinegar in there if you want to also. Let it dry out good, and then it simply slides back in. So I hope today's video was helpful for you. Please leave comments below. Anything else you want me to make a video on as far as how to clean in your home or keep it spick and span perfection clean, please let me know in the comments.